Say goodbye to messy shredding and meet the Rotary Cheese Grater, your new kitchen helper for quick, smooth, and safe grating. Technology is getting better and better every day, and with each new release, it's easy to get distracted by what's trending and overlook the products that actually matter, the ones that are smart, practical, and built to improve your daily life. That's why we're bringing you 5 of the best options on the market right now. Whether it's for your home, office, or on-the-go lifestyle, these picks are more than just hype. They're genuinely useful, cleverly designed, and worth your attention. Let's get into it. The 5th product on this list is the OXO Good Grip Seal and Store Rotary Grater. If you love topping your meals with fresh cheese, chocolate, or even a handful of nuts, this gadget makes it super easy and mess-free. First off, it's built with a large barrel and super sharp stainless steel blades, which means you get smooth and fast grating every single time. You won't be struggling or wasting time trying to grate hard cheeses anymore. It just glides through them like butter. What's amazing is the medium grating surface, perfectly balanced for hard cheeses like Parmesan, blocks of chocolate, or even a few almonds or walnuts. You can use it right over your pasta, salad, dessert, or anything else that needs a little extra flavor. But here's the real game changer. It has a built-in cap that collects the grated cheese. No more mess all over the counter. You just twist, grate, and the cheese stays neatly stored. Plus, there's a clear adjustable window, so you can pour out just the right amount without overdoing it. And when you're done, pop the whole thing in the fridge. The silicone seal keeps everything fresh, so you're not wasting anything. It's compact, easy to clean, and looks great in any kitchen. Want to learn more or see the most up-to-date prices? Just click the links down in the description box. The 4th product on this list is the Zyliss Classic Cheese Grater. Whether you're grating Parmesan over pasta or adding a fine layer of chocolate to your dessert, this handheld rotary grater makes the job super easy, quick, and smooth. One of the best things about this grate is that you don't need to press hard. Just drop in your cheese, turn the handle, and boom, perfect shreds in seconds. It's built to handle both hard and soft cheeses, but it's not just for cheese. You can use it for chocolate, nuts, and even vegetables like carrots. It's seriously handy for everyday cooking or that special recipe you've been wanting to try. The fine grating drum is designed to give you that perfect texture without the mess. And when you're done, the whole thing comes apart easily so you can rinse and clean it without any hassle. Plus, the drum handle folds in, making it easy to store in tight kitchen drawers. No bulky gadgets taking up your space. Comfort is also a big win here. The rotating knob has a soft, non-slip finish, making it great for both left and right-handed cooks. So, whether you're making dinner for your family or prepping for a party, this grater just gets the job done without fuss. Still haven't found the best rotary cheese grater for your needs? Keep on watching because the next 3 products will surely blow your mind. The 3rd product on this list is the Ikea Stralande. Whether you're prepping dinner or just adding a finishing touch to your dish, this gadget is here to save you time and effort. It's simple, smart, and made to fit into your everyday cooking life without any fuss. What makes the Stralande special is how versatile it is. It lets you grate your food either roughly or finely, depending on which side you use. So, whether you're grating cheese for pasta, carrots for a salad, or even chocolate for dessert, it's got you covered. No need for multiple tools. This one does it all. And here's something you don't always see. It's designed for both right-handed and left-handed users. That means anyone in the house can grab it and use it comfortably. No awkward hand positions or struggles, just smooth grating from start to finish. Cleaning up is just as easy. The grater has a smart removable insert so you can take it apart and rinse it without food getting stuck in hard-to-reach places. It's all about making your cooking routine faster and more enjoyable. If you're tired of bulky, complicated kitchen tools, the Ikea Stralande is a breath of fresh air. It's lightweight, easy to store, and incredibly handy. Once you try it, you'll wonder how you cooked without it. So, next time you're in the kitchen, make your life easier and your meals better with the Ikea Stralande Grater, the tool that keeps things simple and sharp. The 2nd product on this list is Vivaant Rotary Cheese Grater. This is not your average grater. It's the same kind you see at your favorite Italian restaurants. Yes, just like Olive Garden, but now you can have that smooth restaurant-style experience at home, whether it's a casual dinner or a fancy celebration. What makes this gadget stand out? For starters, it comes with a patented locking handle that gives you better control and less effort while grating. No more slipping, wobbling, or fighting with your food. It includes 2 ultra-sharp stainless steel drums, a fine one for hard cheeses, nuts, or chocolate, and a coarse one for softer cheeses. That means you get perfectly grated toppings every time. The large food hopper saves you from constant refills, and it even includes 2 2.5-ounce serving containers with lids. Grate directly into them, then serve straight to the table. Easy, clean, and efficient. And don't worry if you're left-handed, it flips for left-hand use too. Built to last, the Vivaant grater is made with BPA-free, high-quality materials that are dishwasher-safe and toxin-free. It won't rust, bend, or crack like cheap knockoffs, and it's smoother and easier to use than all metal graters. Whether you're topping pasta with parmesan, garnishing desserts with chocolate, or adding crunch to salads with nuts, this grater does it all without a mess. It's not just a grater, it's a game changer in your kitchen. Before we reveal the best rotary cheese grater on this list, be sure to check out the description below for the newest and best deals on each of these items. Finally, our best rotary cheese grater is the Cambom rotary grater. Tired of spending too much time chopping, slicing, or grating in the kitchen? The Cambom rotary grater is here to change the way you prep your meals, making everything quicker, easier, and way more fun. This handy little gadget comes with 5 different stainless steel blades, from coarse to extra fine shredders, a slicer, and even a crushing blade that's perfect for turning ice into shaved snow or nuts into crumbs. Whether you're grating cheese, slicing veggies, or crushing peanuts for dessert toppings, this tool gets the job done in seconds without hurting your hands. Made with food-grade materials, the blades are super sharp and rust-resistant, so you can count on them to last. Plus, the base has a powerful suction cup that sticks firmly to smooth surfaces like marble or glass, meaning no slipping and sliding while you're grating away. You can use it on all kinds of cheeses, from cheddar and mozzarella to parmesan and mascarpone. It also works great with radishes, cucumbers, carrots, broccoli, chocolate, and even almonds. Whatever you're prepping, this tool keeps things neat, fast, and effortless. When you're done, just rinse it off or toss the parts into the dishwasher. And don't worry about storage. The separate parts are compact enough to fit into your kitchen drawer without hogging space. Full product info and pricing are linked down below. Can't get enough? We've handpicked these next 2 videos just for you. That's all for now. Thanks for watching.